Welcome. Today I'm sharing a festive favorite, Christmas Party Raspberry Sherbet Punch, non-alcoholic. It's fruity, fizzy, kid-friendly, and perfect for every holiday celebration. Start by adding the basics: an orange juice and a lemon juice concentrate, and some pineapple juice. Next, you're going to add in fresh or frozen raspberries. Now for the raspberry sherbet, but you could use any flavor that you like. You can also mix this up a little and add different fruits and different flavors of sherbet. Now for the fancy part, the ginger ale, regular or sugar-free. Pour it on and it makes it beautiful and bubbly and a showstopper for any party. Add a few raspberries and some sherbet to every glass. And that's it, the perfect punch for your next holiday party. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves easy, fancy recipes. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.